Welcome! So I am very sorry that I'm not able to see you in person, on camera in person, but anyway, since I'm not here today, I wanted to let you know exactly what it is that you're going to be doing and the why behind it. Feel free to shoot me a message in Canvas inbox if you've got any questions, and also be sure to check there because you will see a message from me letting you know which of the assignments in today's HyperDoc you are going to need to complete. So let's begin. When you open up today's lesson, you should see our Week 18 modules, complete with learning target, attendance question, and HyperDoc. Now underneath the HyperDoc, you're going to see this indented Getting to Know You. It says Activity 2. I can create links inside of a HyperDoc, which you'll see here when I load up, that will link you to other Google elements, a doc, a slideshow, a form, a survey. But for you guys, I can't create a link that's going to bring you to a specific Canvas assignment. That said, if you look here where I've labeled our activities 1, 2, and 3, activity 2 requires you to go into the assignment for Getting to Know You, which is in Canvas. So when you go to complete activity 2 today, which will be something you all need to do, it might look different for each of you, but you will all need to do it, you're going to have to go back to the modules right here and go here into the Getting to Know You activity. So let me take you through step by step what we're doing today. Most of you answered the survey last class on different topics. If you did not, obviously your inbox will let you know, you're going to need to complete that. Secondly, you're going to go back to the Getting to Know You activity. Now this was something that we had actually done in week 11 of classes, and it was just for you to create a Google Doc and send it to me without any writing in it. I would then in turn write back to you, and you would then in turn answer. So if I go into this activity, you will see the directions are all right here for what need to be done. Okay? Everything is laid out for you. I highly recommend that you open up this step-by-step set of directions for how to share a document with me, because the assignment wants you to turn it in the form of a URL. Now if you did this way back when, you only need to open up the assignment and write back to me. If, however, you never completed this, you are going to need to follow these steps. And again, in your Canvas inbox, I will let you know if you need to create this document and turn it in to me, or if you need to just go in and write back and forth. If you are going to share, I don't want you to worry about anything up here with this share with people and groups. I want you to go here where the red box is and click Get Link. From there, you need to click on the drop-down for Restricted and change it to Central Square School District. From there, you will need to look at the Viewer section and change it to Editor. This way I can write back and forth with you. You'll give me that permission. Finally, you'll need to click Copy Link and then Done. From there, you can go back into the assignment, and if I were looking at it from a student view, you would see the blue Submit Assignment box that you would click and paste in that URL. From there, you submit. Okay? So I hope that's helpful in breaking it down a little bit for you as to what you need to do there. Your final task, if you did not complete already, is the design of or coming up with the ideas for your very own digital breakout. Why? Why are we doing this? Because we want you to be able to enjoy learning, going off and customized in your own direction. So if you really have a love for all things art, you can go off in that direction. However, if you are more tech, automotive, something totally different, you can go off in your direction. And you don't have to be confined to learning about one specific topic. Okay? The skills that Mrs. Rock and I are going to introduce to you, that will come through whichever medium, whatever topic you choose. Okay? But from here, We want to get you into a survey that's going to just help you generate some ideas. Think about topics, tasks, hobbies, things like that, to get you thinking in what direction you might want to go when we get started with that project. So that's it, friends. Once you've got those things done, you are good for the class, and you will be able to check into School Tool later in the week to see that everything is updated. I hope you have a great day. I will miss not seeing you. Take care. Bye.